This is the dent right here. We're gonna take this off. Ooh, that just popped off. Look at this gap. Here's where that thing goes. Let's get these doggone bolts off. They're 10 millimeter. 1, 2, 3. And this one under here. Okay. 11. Rightsy tightsy, leftsy loosey. Long way. I think there's a screw in here somewhere. Let's get this off. Pull this up. Just snaps out, I think. 12 millimeter here. That's tight. Nope, a little more. Now to get with the hammering, I'm gonna hammer this down and out, and I want this one out even. So I'll stick a block over there. Nice. It's coming. Let's get in there. That was bent in pretty far. Let's get this one pushed out too. I wonder if a crowbar would be better. I could probably just get in there and get a crowbar and pull that out. Yeah, let's get in there. Like that. That's quite a bit, yeah. Much better. Now to work these dents. My moving blanket is be my pad, and focusing on the high spots. This in here is going to be tricky. Let's try to get this down first, along here. It's much better. Just right there. Oh, nice. Just a little wrinkle right here. Just a little more. I can feel it right there is a high spot. Still right there. And then right here, I'm striking over on this edge here. I'm hoping it'll put most of the pressure here. As it gets more and more flat, I hear the change in the sound. Ooh, that just popped off. Now I can get in there. Oh yeah. There's a few wrinkles right here. Just tap it down the other way. Nice. Okay, let's go after this here. Feels a lot smoother. I mean, I could tell that it was tapped down like a lot better than before. Let's just keep going over here. I'm gonna just keep on going. Keep this train moving. Nice. This is gonna be tricky. Oh, that's better. Yeah. Prop that bad boy up against the tire. Kind of think I need a smaller piece of wood. This 2x4 is a little too big, especially for this right here. Where's my other stick? There you go, this nice big one. Oh, I can feel it rocking. It's getting there. These are pretty deep kinks. I don't know if they're gonna come out. It's shallowing out a little. They're not coming out. Maybe if I start on this end and work my way, I can see where the chrome is discolored. So, yeah. Let me try from here, work my way out. Right here's okay, but still got that crease. Don't fill it here. Maybe I'll try to get a little bit more aggressive. Got that socket extension, and okay, now it's feeling smooth, even though I see the visible crease, but it's definitely working its way through. Yeah, I don't feel it on this side. I still feel it on this side, and I can see it visibly. Well, let's see if going after this here and this here. Let's try to hit down that high spot. Maybe by pulling this out, it'll relieve some more pressure. So right now there's tension coming in, so pushing it out might force more tension this way and allow this one to pull out a little bit more. Let's see if I can't get in there. That's one heck of a big bump. It's getting there. I think I have to relieve some pressure here to help pull this one out. Yeah, this thing is pulling it here, but it's not getting right here. There's right there. That's one heck of a kink, isn't it? Yeah, this whole piece right here is indented. Needs to come out. I didn't realize that was even a problem. There we go. That's smoothing out. After flattening this, it helped push this. So this was causing this to pull in. By flattening it out, it was pushing this in. Even here, it's getting pushed out. So this is smooth. This is, well, it fell a little right here. But yeah, pushing this way is pushing this out. Still see one heck of a bump right there. Now that's better. Okay, that's what it looks like. Is that a success? Look at that, right along the edge. Not perfect, but pretty doggone smooth. Look at this gap. Now I give up. Let's just get this mud flap thing on. Ah, crap, look. Still not all the way. It's like I have to bend it out a little bit more. At least now that the dents are gone, I wonder if I can do some other kind of pulling or pushing, or for the most part, it's doggone close. Well, it's getting dark, time to wrap up. I mean, there's a spot here. It's still wavy here. We have a gap here, big gap, and I need to spot weld this back piece under that bracket, up under here, and then on the top. And it looks like that this plastic got warped from it being kinked for so long. So maybe I gotta heat that and try to straighten it. I might just take this apart one more time and pull this bracket out a little bit more. Try to get that a little bit, what do you call it, tighter. Or I was thinking of unloosening this piece and shifting the whole thing down. Lining up body trim sucks. All right, time to clean up. Taking this off again, and I think I found a way to do it. Is get the crowbar in between the tire and here, and pry. Put your foot up, pry. And I think that's gonna, I hope it's gonna bring it out. So let's see if that works. Here's where that thing goes. Fits inside of here somehow. Oh, like that. No wonder it fell off. This is lined up a little bit better. Look at that. There's a little divot right here that needs to be worked out. The main thing is getting that bracket back on. Made that fit a lot better, and welding probably wasn't such a good idea. After I built the material back up that I burnt away, a much better idea was to tap the spot weld and drive a screw into it and then break it off. And I was thinking about tack welding that again, but I didn't want to ruin the material around. So this is a lot nicer.